we're going to do is we're going to walk through the world's biggest Tibetan Buddhist library, and this is called 84,000. So when you go on your browser and when you type 84,000, so 84,000 is the number of texts or teachings given by the Buddha. So that's why, since he has given 84,000 teachings, there are 84,000 scriptures or textbooks available so far. So once you get into this site, so you can go to reading and then you can click on collection. And when you go down, what you will find is Kangyur, Tengyur. So Kangyur, these are collected scriptures which are translated by Tibetans from India long time back, like around 7th century, 12th, 13th, 11th, 12th, 13th century, and so on. And these are the Tengyur, the collected translation of scriptures by great Indian Buddhist scriptures. And then when you go into Kangyur, you will find Vinaya, Sutra, Tantra, Dharani, and so on. So if you want to read something from Sutra, you can click on it, and then you will find all types of sutras. So if you want to do anything with wisdom, the perfection of wisdom, the Prajaparamita, then you can click on it, and then you will find all the texts or the scriptures or the teachings given by the Buddha. And this is where the original, the translation is present, that is the Kangyur Döcha and 8 of 1. And then if you look here, then you will find it's present in the Dege Kangyur. So Dege is a place in Tibet where they are able to preserve the old scriptures that were translated by Tibetan back in 7th to 11th and 13th century. So these translations of Buddha's words from Sanskrit to Tibetan are present there. So, and these translations that you see here in English are the translations based on the original books present in Dege Kangyur. And here you will also find the status where it says translation, it is in progress. And then if you go down, you will also find, so this one, it has already been translated in English, so you can just read it, and you can also download into PDF and so on. And then, alright, this is how you do it if you want to find or look for particular text. And if you just want to read it, you can click here, and then you can search for reading. It's one of the same. So maybe you want to read about Tara. So if you want to read about Tara, so you have all the textbooks that is related to Tara, and these are all published, so that means it's already been translated. So when you click on the Tara, and this one is Tara Kurukule, so you go on, you go down, and you see all the table of contents here, and the summary and the introductions and everything. So when you reach the main part of text, this is how it looks. And if you want to learn more about Manjushri, you can click on it, then you will see it says Jampel. So Jampel is in Tibetan, Manjushri, that's in Sanskrit. And that's how you want to, if you want to learn more about the particular word or sentence. And here, which starts with the capital F, that's where when you click on it, you will find the original text or scriptures that is in Tibetans. So Gyagarke Aryatare Kurukule Pyoke Pangmatuma Kurukule Topa. So that's how you read it. And when you read it, and here at the top of left side, if you go like this, left side here you see bookmarks. So in case there's one, so I'm reading over here, and then if you I want to save it as a bookmark, as a note, you can click on here, and then that's how you can save it. See, oh yeah, you click on here and then it saves, right? These are one and the same, so that's how you do it. And then if you click it here, then you find the original the table of content. Alright, that's how you do it. And so if you want to read it directly by going into the website, and then there are other resources as well. So if you want to read it on your mobile app, so that's from resource, you click on mobile app and then you can download it, and it's very convenient. So later after this video, let me show you how you can read it in mobile apps, through mobile apps. Thank you. So here is the home page of mobile app 84,000, and here you see down there is 84,000. That is the home page, and there is a reading room, and then there's a search, and there's me. So when you click on reading room, and at the top you see all texts, and then you see the discipline, discourse, Dharani, Tantra. So if you want to read from discourse, you click here, and then you find the name of all the scriptures, and then the how many minutes or hours it's going to take you to read it, and that is sort of approximate. So this one is the first one, the chapter on the scale of life, it's 18 minutes. And then you go down, and there is also what is called the good eon. So let me click on it, and here, so I have already clicked, so I have saved it as one to read. So I haven't finished it, so I have read it a few pages. So if you want to continue, so you can click on continue, and then you see the bookmark, my bookmark here on the left side. And then you go down, and when you see something like F.5, so when you click on it, you will be able to see the original translation in Tibetan, and that's how you read it. If you want to read it in Tibetan, the Kechala Mimik Banyitos Yula Mitumbao. So that's how you read it. And then you go down, and if you want to read footnotes, you can click on such things, and then you will able to see the footnotes here. And when you go down, and if you want to learn about particular topics or particular sentence, you just click on the page, and then you see it's been highlighted, and then you can just click on one of them, like awakening, the factors of awakening. If you click on it, then you will be able to see how the factors of awakening, and what is its meaning in Tibetan. In Tibetan is Chanjupkiela, and then Wiley is how you type it in English as per the Tibetan text, and then down below it is in Sanskrit, Budhyanga, something like that. And then if you want to save it as a note or bookmark, you can click on here, and then that's how you save it. And then when you click on it, and then you just go up there, and when you click on up there, you will be able to see the table of contents, and then you can see your notes. These are the notes. And then if you go back, you will be able to see the original, the front page. And here you can, once you have read it, you can click on finish. And if you want to send it to someone else, you can click here, and then you can send the URL link, or you can download it as PDF, and then you can send it. Let us go back. So when you go to the other text, such as Tantra, when you click on Tantra, you will see that, so in case something like Vajra Conqueror, and then if you, that I've already read, it's maybe something else. So when you read it, usually some of those texts, so they will have a hint. They will, they will try to see if you are, just to make sure you are permitted to read it. So that's usually when you have received involvement and transmissions from a good teacher. So only then you are allowed to read it. So you can, if you have received one, you can just click yes, I know, and then you can continue reading. Otherwise, it's out of respect. It's better that you don't read it. Otherwise, most of the other texts you can read it. So there are a lot of different scriptures on medicines, on different Buddhas and everything. So down there, when you click on me, you will be able to see what I have read, such as like these are what I am reading at the moment, and the reading, this is what I am reading, and then these are the texts that I want to read. And then when you click on finish, these are the texts that I've already read, and go back and then save course. These are the notes that I have saved. So you can just go on it, and then kind of helps you to get into the main points. Well, this is all from 84,000, and the walkthrough how you can access and read it through website as well as on mobile app. And I truly hope that you will find something interesting to read, and then and improve or enrich your knowledge, enrich your practice. Have a good day. Thank you.